Ndingumbulelo Khuthuka Manzimdaka phantsi kwesakhe isizwe municipality. Ndiyasebenza apha, ndisebenza nabantwana bam sityala i-crop.
Mr. Mbulelo Khuthuka is a dedicated farmer from Manzimdaka village in the Sakisizwe local municipality. He began his farming journey in the early 2000s, focusing on the production of cabbages and maize. Through hard work, determination, and a passion for agriculture, he has built not only a sustainable farming enterprise, but also a lasting legacy by passing on his knowledge and love for farming to his children. As he grows older, Mr. Khuthuka has intentionally prepared the next generation to continue the family's farming tradition. His daughter, Nombongo Khuthuka, has embraced this responsibility, having been raised in a farming environment from a young age. Today, she proudly works alongside her father, helping to ensure that the family's agricultural legacy continues.
Le nto ke iyaqala sisebancinci, so sithathe over utatethu. Uzange babe employed but oko sakhuliswa ikhaphetshu kwizikolo sasifundiswa ikhaphetshu, so kulapho ndafunda khona uba manje ndibe nomdla because ndiyayibona imali yale khaphetshu uba iyandenzela ntoni apha ebomini bam.
Mr. Khuthuka's story is a testament to the power of generational farming, demonstrating how knowledge, dedication, and government support can create a lasting agricultural legacy that benefits both families and communities for years to come.
Uyasincedisa u-rural development. Amagosa ke ona akwa agriculture ayavizitha apha phantse umzuzu nomzuzu okanye iveki neveki, bayasincedisa kakhulu.
Lo myalezo niwuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.